Going forward in Rails 8, I'm using the core authentication generator, and that's what we're going to walk through in this video. What I sort of like about it is how stripped down it is and how simple it is. So all it really gives you essentially is sessions, the login system for users. I'm going to fire up a new Rails app here. I always use Tailwind for the CSS. And let's just make sure that we are up and running. Okay. Now, before we actually get into it, I want to do a little bit of basic setup. I want to set up a home page. That's what we're going to actually show on the root level before we're logged in. Okay. So now we're looking at our home page. Not much there, obviously. So let's go ahead and install the Rails 8 authentication generator. We'll do Rails G or Rails generate authentication. Let's see what that gave us. So we've got a couple of views for managing passwords and the session. That's like the login view. We have models for session, user, and current, controllers for session, and a passwords controller. We've got this concern called authentication. We've got some methods in there. We're going to dig into that in just a minute. A couple other things down here. And then, and then we have a migration where we will create users and sessions. All right, let's go ahead and migrate that. Let's also take a look at the routes. So it added session and passwords. I'm going to restart the server. Okay, so now that I restarted the server and I refreshed our local host, you'll notice right away that it redirected me straight to the sign-in view.